Hi, this is Christy, and in this video, I thought it would be fun to share with you how I make my Canva YouTube thumbnails that look like this. Okay, so if I went into right here, you can go into Canva and search for YouTube thumbnail, and they will actually give you templates that you can start with. So I look for something with a lot of color because when you're looking on Google, and someone is searching for, so say, let's see, what is an engaged? This was just a video I just made right here. And you look, I'm always looking to see if I'm ranking on the first page. I go to videos. There I am, boom, right there. So you want something bright and colorful. You see how this one just sort of doesn't catch your eye. Red is really good. See, that's sort of bland. Background color, that's bland. Purple is good. That's got more color. I used this. So I would say a lot of times I will choose something red. So you want bright red. So this would be a good template to choose. So you would choose this. And then what you would simply do over here is go to elements and say, for example, you were talking about, since I do a lot of printables promotions, you can change this picture out. I love these right here. So you can just delete that picture, and then you can stretch this one out right here, make it bigger. Like that, or let's see what else we can find this a little bit. I think this one would be easier right here because it's already the right size. And take that out. Remember, you can't break it, so you can just play around with it until it looks like you want it to look. Right here, you would double click on this, and it will take you to, it'll log into the editor where you can type whatever you want to. How I use Canva to make thumbnails, and then what I do, I take it and I move it up here. I'm going to move that. I'm going to delete that. You can either use the delete button on your keyboard, or you can use the little trash can right there. Okay. And then you can delete this. And I'm going to leave that white on red. And you can do, you could do fun things. You could make it a theme like, let's just do autumn. You can replace it with this. Leaves, but you don't want to do anything animated because it's not going to be an animated GIF. It's going to be a PNG when you download it. Oh, that's cute right there. And see, I have the pro version, which I think it's like $12.99 a month, something like that. You can put that there. I could move this down here a little bit. This little right here, this will turn it side to side, or you can just drag it like this. It is so fun, really. It's just like coloring. And look at that. It's so cool. And see right here, you can position this. Click on the element. What I want to do right here is ungroup. I don't need that particular little box right there, so I'm going to delete that. But this right here, if I want to position it to the front over the letters, or I'm going to position it to the back, I actually like it to the front right there. And then I can add some more leaves to make it colorful over here in the blue. I can turn it to the side like this. How cute that. And then, if you wanted to, you could put your website here, and this right here helps you move it. This stretches it out right here. I'm going to type dreamtopaper.com, and I'm going to move it down here, and I'm going to change it to white. And remember, I am not a graphic designer, but if I can use this, I'm a baby boomer. You just go in and play around with it till you figure it out. Really, that's what I do. So there you go. And you can also go into, and you see the background right here. You can choose different backgrounds. Okay, it's not switching it for me. And you can also upload your own photos. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to download that. I'm going to do a PNG. I'm going to download it. It's going to download to my computer. And then when I'm editing my video, I'll show you where to put it right here. This is where you would upload it. Of course, I'm not going to change this one, but this is where you would upload it. And that's how you would create a YouTube thumbnail in Canva. Canva.pro is just awesome, and it is so worth every dime. I make my YouTube thumbnails in here. I make my Etsy listings in here. I make some mock-ups in here. I make printables in here. I make bonuses. I make graphics for my sales pages. I make graphics for my webinars. I make printables. This is a digital, this is actually a wall art I made and put it into these Canva templates that you can buy. This is a printable I made for Etsy. And these are all the things you can design in Canva. And I do print on demand, so that's one of my t-shirts in Etsy. And whenever I do a sales page, email, bonus, all of it, I do it in Canva. Okay? And I think you should too. So I'll put a link to Canva below, and I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it was helpful. And again, I'm a baby boomer, and if I can do this, you can do this. And you just go in and you just move the elements around until you like what you see, and then you download it. And I would invite you, I have a webinar, I actually have two. One is called Print by Customer that I did with Brandon Garland, and we talk about how to sell printables and planners as an affiliate that you didn't even create. So if you're like me and you can't do a stick figure, or you're just pressed for time but you want to sell printables, you can sign up as an affiliate, and I have a course to tell you all about it. So watch the webinar. Also, I am a member of a new community that actually will host your landing pages, so you can build an audience in YouTube. You can build an audience in Pinterest. You always want to be building your audience, and there'll be a link to that below. So please give me a like and subscribe, and let me know how I can help you. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.